back to my channel. My name is Soumya. In today's video, I will be doing this lab, Google Cloud Pub/Sub using a command line interface. So in my previous lab, I completed this Cloud Pub/Sub topic on a web console. Today, I will be performing this lab. So it's the same lab, but we will be using command line interface. So let's click on this lab. We can click on Start Lab. So I've started this lab now. And I also logged into the Google Cloud Console using the student ID and password. So as part of this lab, we will be creating a pub/sub topic. In this lab, we'll learn the basics of pub/sub. We'll create, delete and list pub/sub topics. We'll publish messages to topic, and we'll see how to use a pull subscriber to output individual topic messages. We'll also see how to use a pull subscriber to pull all messages from the subscription. So let's proceed with the task 1, pub/sub topics. So pub/sub comes pre-installed in Google Cloud Shell. So we don't have to install or configure anything. We just start the service. So let's create first topic by executing this command gcloud pub/sub topics, and we'll be creating a topic by the name my topic. So let's copy this. So let's activate the Cloud Shell here. So let's open this in a new window. So let's copy paste the. Now the pub/sub topic is created. So let's go back and click on check my progress, and this should be complete now. So now we can see it's complete. So let's create 2 more topics by the name test1 and test2. Let's copy this command. Let's go back to Cloud Shell and execute this command. So this will create 1 more topic by the name test1. So let's copy this command as well and execute it here. If you want to view the topics which you have created, we can use this command to list those topics. So let's copy this command. Let's go back to Cloud Shell and execute it here. So it will list all the topics which got created recently. So here you can see all the topics. You can see the name of the topic. This is the name of the topic. So it will show all the topics. Now let's proceed with this. So let's delete these topics. So by executing this command, it will delete the topic. So here we are passing delete command to delete this topic. So let's copy this command and delete the 2 topics. So now we are deleting this topic test1. It's deleted now. Let's go back. Let's copy this command and delete the test2 topic as well. Now let's go back. So let's execute this command again, gcloud pub/sub topic list, and see how many topics get listed now. Now you see only 1 topic by the name my topic. So let's clear this screen. So let's proceed with the task 2, pub/sub subscription. So we will create a subscription to our topic. So we need to execute this command gcloud pub/sub followed by the subscription, and we are creating a subscription to this topic. So we need to ensure that we pass this -- topic and the topic name and the subscription name. So let's copy this command. Let's go back to Cloud Shell, execute this command. So now the subscription got created for this topic. Let's go back and you can click on check my progress, and this should be complete now. So let's add another 2 subscription to the topic. So let's execute this command. So we will be adding subscription to this topic test1 and test2. So let's copy this command, go back to Cloud Shell, execute it here. So this will create another subscription. So now it's created. Let's go back. Let's copy this command as well and execute it here. It's done. Let's go back. So let's run the following commands to list the subscription to topic. So we will execute this command gcloud pub/sub topics list -subscriptions and followed by the topic name. So remember that we have added subscription to the topic my topic. So we are listing the subscription which is made to this topic by executing this command. So let's copy this command, go back to Cloud Shell and execute it here. See, now you can see there are 3 subscriptions. You should get this output. To receive messages published to a topic, you must create a subscription to the topic. Yes, that's true. Now delete the test1 and test2 subscription. So let's execute this command to delete those subscription. It's deleted. Let's copy this command. It's related. So let's proceed. So again we will list the subscription to the topic by executing this command. So now we choose there is only 1 subscription. Let's proceed with the task 3, pub/sub publishing and pulling a single message. So let's execute this command to publish the message hello to the topic my topic. Since we are publishing a message, we need to ensure that we pass this publish command and topic name here and the message hyphen message hello. So let's copy this command. Let's execute it here. So you should get this output. Let's publish few more messages. So let's copy this command. Here you need to ensure that you replace this name. Let's copy this. So we are just publishing a few messages to our topic. Next, we will use the pull command to get the messages from the topic. The pull command is subscription based. Let's execute this command. Gcloud pops up subscription followed by the pull, since we are pulling the messages from this subscription. So whatever messages we have published, we are pulling those messages. So let's copy this command, go back to Cloud Shell and execute it here. And we should get this response. So we should get this output. We got the same output. Now let's proceed with the task 4, pops up pulling all messages from subscription. So if you want to pull all the messages from the subscription, we need to execute this command. Gcloud pops up topics publish my topic hyphen message. So here we will be publishing few messages using this command. So let's copy this command. Let's execute it here. So we are publishing few messages to the subscription. Once that is done, we will add a flag to the command to see output of all 3 messages in one request. In the previous command, we use this hyphen auto hyphen hack. So when we use this will format the messages into a proper format. We can set few formats. So here we can also set this limit flag. Using the limit flag, we can set a limit on the number of messages to the pull. So here we need to pass this command gcloud pops up subscription pull. So we are pulling the messages and we are setting the limit to 3 auto hyphen hack. So this to get this message in this proper format, we are passing this command. So you can see how neatly it is giving the output. So let's copy this command and execute it here. So you should get this output. So now we have completed this lab. So in this lab we saw how to create a pops up topic using a command line interface, how to create a subscription and publish the messages to this topic. Click on end lab and end this lab. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel and stay up to date with the latest content on this channel. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video.